In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Charles Schwab app. We'll use the official and recommended method on Android through the Google Play Store, so you can install it safely and start using it with confidence. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you have a device search bar, type Play Store and tap the icon that appears. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since you'll be downloading the app. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Schwab Mobile. This is the name of the official app you want. When the results load, take a moment to verify you're selecting the correct listing. You're looking for Schwab Mobile, developed by the Charles Schwab Corporation. Checking the developer name matters because it ensures you're installing the legitimate financial app and not a lookalike. You'll likely see the recognizable Schwab branding, but the developer line is the most reliable indicator. When you've confirmed you have the right app, tap Install. The Play Store will download the app and then install it automatically. Depending on your connection speed, this might take a minute. You'll see a progress indicator as it goes, and you don't need to do anything else during this part. As soon as the installation completes, tap Open. The app will launch and guide you to the sign-in screen. Sign in with your existing Schwab account. For your security, do this on a private network whenever possible and never share your credentials. After you're signed in, the app will prompt you to enable additional security, such as a device PIN, fingerprint, or other biometric options supported by your phone. Turning these on adds a strong layer of protection to your financial information and makes future logins faster and safer. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. A few important tips to keep in mind. Always choose the app from the Charles Schwab Corporation. That developer line is your best safeguard against imposter apps. Avoid downloading APK files from third-party websites. Because this is a financial app, stick to the official Play Store to reduce security risks. If you can't find the app in search, it may not be available in your region, or your specific device may not be supported. In that case, check again later or use a supported Android device where the Play Store lists the app. That's it. You've learned the safe, official way to download the Charles Schwab app on Android and get signed in with strong security.